Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery draining too fast on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and restrict the background apps. So there's not a lot of apps that run in the background. We're gonna go to settings. Now in these settings, what we need to do is we need to go to battery. Once we go to battery, here we will have the battery usage by app, and here we can click on an app and we can change the power consumption controls to restrict background activity. Now those 7 minutes will not count anymore, and the new time will not exist because this app does not run in the background anymore. Now what we can do next is go to power saving settings and scroll down to app battery management. Here we got every single app, and you guys can easily just click on it, click restrict background activity, and you can do that for every single app that's listed here. What you guys want to do next is go over and turn off any unneeded features such as always on display. So if you're using it, then you can skip it, but here in home screen, lock screen, and style, we have always on display, and we want to make sure that we turn it off because it also drains our battery. Now what we can do next is simply lower the refresh rate or change it to dynamic one. So you can do that in the display and brightness settings. You can scroll down and go to screen refresh rate. Now I use high, which drains the battery, but you can use auto select or standard. So sometimes it will be 60, and if you really need it, it will be around 122, 144 hertz. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix battery draining glitches. So open the settings back, scroll to system and update, and tap on software update. Here, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating because it is very important to update your software. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.